How to use AAMI Home Insurance Australia properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. AAMI Home Insurance is a popular choice in Australia, but many homeowners make mistakes that can cost money or leave them underinsured. The surprising truth is that simply having a policy isn't enough. You need to know how to use it effectively. A common mistake is underestimating coverage limits. Rising construction and repair costs can mean a standard policy won't fully cover rebuilding your home. Regularly check your policy to ensure it reflects your home's current value and contents. Neglecting liability coverage is another trap. AAMI policies include personal liability protection, but lowering limits to save money can leave you exposed if someone is injured on your property or if you accidentally damage a neighbor's property. Failing to update your policy is another frequent error. Renovations, moving, or buying new valuable items can affect your coverage. Not informing AAMI may result in delayed or denied claims. Overlooking discounts is another costly mistake. AAMI offers savings for bundling home and car insurance, installing approved security systems, and maintaining a claims-free record. Missing these can cost hundreds per year. Finally, misunderstanding the claims process can slow or reduce payouts. Always document damages thoroughly, report incidents promptly, and communicate clearly with your claims advisor. By avoiding these mistakes, you can maximize AAMI Home Insurance Australia. Ensure coverage reflects your home's value, maintain sufficient liability protection, update your policy regularly, take advantage of discounts, and understand the claims process. This ensures your insurance works efficiently, protecting both your home and peace of mind.